What's up, business professionals? Welcome to another free business English video lesson. My name's Grant. I'm an award-winning business English coach, and my job is to help you become the most effective professional English communicator possible. In this video, we are going to look at a word that a lot of English learners make mistakes with: prepare. The reason that people make mistakes with this is that prepare, prepare to, and prepare for should all be used in different situations, and that is exactly what I will teach you in the next few minutes. We'll start by looking at a few example mistakes, then I'll explain exactly how to use each of those three phrases so your English can be correct, confident, and natural. Here are a few example mistakes. First, I can't meet you this weekend because I'm preparing a big job interview on Monday. And second, my company is preparing for launching our newest product. Both of these sentences are incorrect, and in the next few minutes, you will know why as well as how to fix them. Now let's talk about the verb prepare by itself without any prepositions. You want to use prepare when you are talking about getting something ready. For example, I am preparing dinner right now. This would mean that you're cooking and getting the dinner ready. This is different from prepare for. Prepare for should be paired with a situation or an event, and it means that you are getting yourself ready for that situation. For example, I am preparing for my big accounting exam. That would mean that you're studying, looking at your notes, and getting yourself ready to take the exam. If you say that you are preparing the accounting exam, that would mean that you're actually creating the test, which most of the time is not what you're trying to say. One of the biggest mistakes that English learners make is using prepare when they should use prepare for. So, looking at the first mistake example, this sentence, how it's written, would actually mean that we are designing and creating the interview, which is probably not true. What you want to say is that you're getting yourself ready for the interview. So we should say, I can't meet you this weekend because I'm preparing for a big job interview on Monday. Finally, you want to use prepare to with a verb. And this would mean that you are getting yourself ready to do or perform this action. For example, I am preparing to move to the United States. This would mean that you're getting yourself ready for the action of moving to the United States. Another common mistake people make with the verb prepare is saying they are preparing for an ing verb instead of prepare to and then a regular verb, which is the correct phrase. So to fix the second mistake, instead of saying for launching, we should say to launch. My company is preparing to launch our newest product. So in summary, you want to use prepare when you are getting something ready. I'm preparing my presentation slides right now. I'm getting my slides ready. Use prepare for with an event or situation when you are getting yourself ready for that event. I'm preparing for my presentation next week. And finally, you want to use prepare to with a verb when you're getting yourself ready to do that action. I'm preparing to give my presentation. And one bonus tip, in the previous slide, I used I with all the examples. These rules are true with any subject. The subject does not have to be you. For example, my boss is preparing to give his presentation, or the sales team is preparing for the quarterly sales meeting. All right, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope it was helpful. Right now, I am preparing many new video lessons, so make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.